Ladies and gentlemen, Crypto Billionaire back with another video. In this video, we are going to go over how to buy Dogelon Mars. Now, you guys want to get in this before it absolutely pops because right now, at its current state, it is going insane, my friends. The confirmation has confirmed that we are going to the moon with this coin here. Guys, we are going past the moon. We're going to literally demolish the moon. It's going to be rubble. Because we're going to Mars, my friends. So strap in and grab some water. Because it's going to be a good, fun, long meaning of like a week or two, journey to a good, tasty 10x. Alright, so this is how you buy Dogelon Mars coin. First, what you're going to want to do, I'm using Coinbase, and we're going to be using Uniswap at this point in time. And I'm sorry, my brother. My friend is calling me, and I'm making a video. Okay, so we're going to be transferring from Coinbase to Uniswap. And buying it on Uniswap with our Metamask wallet. So in order to do that, what you need to do, come into Coinbase, buy some Ethereum, all right? I got a little bag. This is my miner account. Got a miner account here, and I'm just going to send this much Ethereum, ETH, my friends, to this right here. You're going to make a MetaMask wallet. It will give you your key phrase, and you are going to copy that key phrase, paste it somewhere in a safe location. You know the vibes. And yeah, so copy that, put that here. You're going to want to, for MetaMask, you just type in MetaMask, enter. Oh my God, MetaMask wallet. And then you download it, download the Chrome extension. My friends, there you go. Okay, so there's the address. Let's make sure that is correct. You always want to make sure, because if you don't send it to the right address, then you are giving somebody your money. And it looks right. All right. To the moon and Mars. All right, my friends. We are sending. Send now. Network fee. All right, send now. Boom. Sending cryptos here. Confirming the send. We are confirming the send. Now we just wait for it to come into here. It shouldn't take long, and you can actually see it in the activities. Boom! There we have it, guys. All right, sorry if I scared you with that one, but the funds are in the account. All right, now, in order to buy Dogelon Mars with this, you are going to want to head over to Uniswap. Now that it's in your MetaMask wallet, remember, you get the MetaMask wallet by going to metamask.com, downloading it. Write down your key phrase. Don't copy and paste it, because if your computer or your phone gets hacked, you're screwed. You are screwed. Write it down on a piece of paper. And just so you guys know, the government can track where you are putting your money outside of an exchange. Let's say you buy it on Coinbase and you exchange it to this first MetaMask wallet. They can track that. They assume this MetaMask wallet is yours. MetaMask Trust, whatever wallet you got, the government knows that. Now, if you transfer it out of this wallet into a different one, then it is untraceable. Alright, Uniswap. This is not financial advice. I do not know what I'm talking about, and I just made that up. It is completely untrue. The government can do whatever they want. I'm not speaking against the government in any means. Alright. So boom, we're in Uniswap. It's going to say up here, connect your MetaMask wallet. Press connect your MetaMask wallet, and then it will connect. And you type in how much you want. Come over here. You can either type in Elon. It will come up here. Or my friends, this is the most safe way to do it. Go to coinmarketcat.com. Type in whatever the hell coin you want. Let's just type in Doggy. I don't even know what that is. We're not wasting our time with that. Let's type in Elon. This is the one and only right here. Now you see contracts right here. You want to press this, copy address. Boom! This is the address of the coin, my friends. Then you go to here, select coin, search name or paste address. Command or Control V. Boom. Should come up with the address. Press this. Bye, my friends. There we go. Now, you're going to want to transfer your Ethereum here, however much you want. Let's say 0.3. All right. 0.3, not 0.3. And then, yeah, you press swap. And there you go, my friends. You have successfully swapped your Ethereum for Elon, and it will show up in your Metamask wallet. Now, I am not buying now. I am going to wait for a better opportunity. But at the time of this recording, if the price is around this area, it would not be a bad move to start averaging in. If you haven't bought any, now is the time to buy. This is not financial advice. This is advice from a crypto billionaire. I do not know what I'm talking about. This is the time to buy, my friends. The volume is coming in. We have confirmation on every single signal. There is the only way this can take a turn for the worse is if these people down here that bought all the way down here are just completely going to dump their bags, all right? And that will bring it down to this level, like the 7s, which is not going to happen because they see this thing going to Mars and they see it getting listed on major exchanges coming up. Coinbase, and Binance, those are rumors. I don't know if that's true, but it has been listed on crypto.com. And all they need to do is increase the liquidity issues, and we should be chilling like a villain, guys. This is the perfect time to get in if you haven't already. Start dollar cost averaging. We use the 1/4 rule. The 1/4 rule here on this channel. If you have $1,000, dollar cost average 1/4 at a time after each confirmation. All right, 2 videos ago, I told you guys it's going to go down about halfway into this green candle. That's when you want to buy. So, boom, drop 250, right? All right, boom, went up. Of course, like we said. And it broke through all of these resistance based again right here. And right here is when you want to buy, is when it breaks out of this support right here. Boom, dropping another 250. Have a wonderful day, night, wherever you're staying. Have a beautiful day. And this is going to Mars and beyond. We are hitting 10 billion market cap in a couple weeks. That is my assumption. So strap in, load up. This is where billionaires come to invest and get their knowledge. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button. Trying to get to 200 subscribers. We recently just hit 50. That was the last goal. And guys, we are going to the moon with the subscriber count. 200. Let's get it.